Looking for peace and tranquility? Well, welcome to this 1+ acre property in beautiful Niagara Falls. Just minutes from the US border, the new hospital, and the Niagara River, this 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom bungalow boasts a 3-car garage and a fully finished basement. There's lots of room for your toys. Hi, I'm Gil Bellafleur from Rebel Realty, and this is my newest listing. For more information or to book a private showing, call 905-980-1823 or visit bltniagara.ca.